Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings on the Yeedi C12 PRO PLUS. If you're interested in this robot vacuum and mop, or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have the Yeedi app opened up. The app is available for iOS and Android devices. So we're taking a look at the C12 PRO PLUS right here, where we need to select the enter button to be taken into our main overview and settings, where we can view our map. Your map will look different depending on your environment. But from here, we're able to edit and look at our map settings. So top right-hand corner, middle icon, that's going to be what you want. This is our map management section, where in the top right-hand corner, you can map your home, and it can save up to 3 maps at one time. We'll edit the main map right here by selecting Edit Map, and you'll notice all of our mapping settings and options right here, where we can add virtual walls and barriers, both linear and rectangular. So if we do a linear one, no entry, that's the red one. The yellow one's going to be no mopping. And same thing can be said for the rectangles here. So you can drag and drop those, no entry or no mopping. Up to you which one you prefer. And you can add multiples of both and just place them on your map accordingly. Next, we have our rooms option here. So we can pick and choose our room name and confirm, depending on which room we want to rename. Then we have our divide option. So say you're not happy with the part on your map. Maybe this section's too big or it's not mapped properly. We want to divide it. We can divide the room right here. And now we'll have multiple rooms created. Very simple, drag and drop. And if for some reason you have too many rooms and you want to combine a room, you can do that as well. So you could just select the rooms that you want. We can hit combine, and now it's going to merge those rooms together. So everything's very intuitive and simple and straightforward. Back in the map management section, those 3 dots in the top right-hand corner of each map will yield backup, restore, name, or delete. So if you're wondering about those settings, those can be found right there to very easily customize your map or even delete it. Other than that, we have a couple more map settings that we can look at from the main overview here. That's going to be at the bottom where we have our auto clean or our room clean. So we can choose different rooms on the map to clean. Or we can even choose up to 5 different zones to clean on our map. And then lastly, in the main settings in the top right-hand corner, if we go down to sequence, we can choose on our map which rooms to clean and in what order. We can just save that, and that's how it's going to process and clean our home. So using the Yeedi C12 PRO PLUS and its map settings is very intuitive within the Yeedi app. Again, it's available for iOS and Android devices and allows you to customize your home environment.